Hello children, today we are going to learn how to frame sentences or how to write sentences using the word the, at, that. That, as you know, is used for objects that are far away from us. So we show it with an arrow. So let's begin by writing the date and classwork. Today is 1/5/15 of December 2020. Alright, and you can also write classwork on top of that. Now first we'll draw the picture like we did in this, and then we'll write the sentence over there. So one picture is already given there and a sentence for it is also given. The at that is a bus. So there's an arrow to show that the bus is far away. So we show it with an arrow. We point to it with an arrow. So let's draw another picture. Let's draw an arrow first. Draw an arrow, sleeping line and a arrow like that. Okay. Now let's draw a picture. Let's see if you can guess. You already know these pictures. So one triangle, another triangle, and two sleeping lines. So what is this? It's far away. So what is that? That is a dam. So we begin writing over here near the margin. Again, all of you by now know how to write theta, capital cursive T, join it with H just like you do in this, TH, and now join it with a, the, at, that, leave a finger space, is a, the, a, dam. That is a dam. So try and leave one finger space between the words. Now let's draw another picture. Let's draw an arrow first to show it's far away. Draw an arrow like that, and let's draw a picture. You can guess what is this. All of you know by now. Lot of words, all the vowel sound words. So this is a very fast moving aeroplane, and that's called a jet. Jet. Again, start little below the top red line, a small curve, wave, touch the top red line again, bring it back to the third line, turn around to form T, H, the, at, that is, try to write one below the other in a proper way. It will look neat and nice. That is a, it's far away, it's always in the sky, so it's far away. That is a jet. That is a jet, and a full stop to end it. Now let's draw another picture that is far away. You can guess what ma'am is going to draw. What am I trying to draw? Yes, this is a, this is a, when you see it from far away, what do you say? How do you frame the sentence? It's a I sound word. That is a pit. T, H, the, a, that is a, pit. That is a pit. Now let's draw another picture, and you can guess what is that. All right, This is the face. I'm drawing an animal with slanting eyes and ears like that, body and a tail, bushy tail. Yes, you have guessed it right. What is that? That is a very clever animal. That is a fox. And again start near the margin. Form a T, capital cursive T, join with H. The, at, that. That is a for, F for, or X. That is a fox. Let's draw another arrow to show a faraway object, and we write sentence using that. Now what should I draw? Yes, you can just see and guess what ma'am is drawing. Okay. Yes, this is a, you have guessed it already. What is that? That is a tub, a bathing tub. So how do we write it? Start T a little below the, between the first and the second line, curve, take it up, touch the top line, bring it back. That is your T, capital cursive T, H, A, T. The, at, that is a T, teeter, a b, tub. That is a tub. All right. Here I forgot to put a full stop, but you do not forget to put full stop anywhere. Sentence starts with a capital and ends in a full stop. Now last sentence, and I am going to use a word or a picture that has 4 letters, 4-letter word. So with an arrow I am showing a picture. You can guess it. It's a very easy one with vowel sound. Start. It is vowel sound A. It's a 4-letter word. Many of you would have guessed by now. What is this? What is that? It's far away. So what is that? Start forming a T, H, the, at, that. That is a f, l, a, g. That is a flag. All right. So you can draw some more pictures and or practice writing that. Try and write TH and AT very close to each other. Okay, many times what do? Many children do, you know, T, H and A would be far away. So there should not be much distance between them. Try to make it nicely and make a T like that. Don't take H very further away, very close to T. Draw, make H and A and T close by. So keep practicing like that and write beautifully and neatly. Thank you.